Today, as everywhere in the internet, you can see there has been given how to connect your mobile or tab into your big screen television with the help of Chromecast, Anycast, EasyCast, all those things. But as you know that if you want to go and to purchase all those things, they are a little bit costlier. But today I am going to share you a way by which you can connect your mobile or tab into your big screen television through your HDMI port. For that which you require is simple few things. I am going to introduce all those things and you can purchase all those things from Amazon, and the cost is very low. You have to you have to pay a maximum 100 rupees or 200 rupees for all those stuffs. So let's check. Here you have the HDMI cable. This is a HDMI cable. Everyone has it at the present days with your TV. It has been connected with your TV, and this one is the connector for my tab, USB connector for my tab. This is my tab. This is HCL tab, HCL Me tab, and this is the connector. Here I can connect this one. And for mobile there is also connector, but for mobile this port would be a little bit small. That would be mini and something mini or micro. I don't know that what the exact say. This one is HDMI connector. This one is HDMI connector. I will give the link for this thing, from where you can purchase. And what it happens, you can connect this one from here. This one is the HDMI connector, and this one is optional. If you want to purchase this one, I have purchased this one is a mouse, wireless mouse by Intex. So I have purchased this to control my tab wirelessly from a distance of 100 or 200 meters, and this one is the connector for this mouse. But this is an optional thing. You want to purchase it, you can. If you want to purchase it, you can. If you do not want to purchase it, it's your choice. You can control this tab accordingly as you are controlling the tab itself. So let me tell you how to connect all those things. I have to put this one. Let me first start the tab first. Yeah, so the tab is starting. Now what you have to do, you have to put this connector here in this port. Similarly, if you have a mobile where if you have a HDMI port, you can also do that. I'm not putting this one in the HDMI port. This one is for the USB port. And now I'm connecting this HDMI connector into my HDMI port. As you can see, this one is the HDMI port. So I'm connecting this here. I have connected this one into my HDMI port, and now I am going to connect this one. I am connecting this for the mouse. USB here to control my tab wirelessly. If you do not want to take the mouse, you do not require this one. But as I want to control my tab wirelessly, so I am doing this. Now I am going to connect this with my television. This one is the HDMI cable, and I am going to put this into my HDMI port. As you can see, this one is the HDMI port. So let me put this one into my HDMI port. So I have connected this one into HDMI port, and this one is the second portion of the HDMI port, which I am going to connect with my tab. So let's check. Okay guys, so as you can see, this one, the HDMI port, here I am putting with this connector this HDMI port here, like this way. You can put this I'm for convenience, I am doing this like this. You have to put this one and then put here into your device. It can be a tab, it can be a mobile, if you whatever the HDMI port you have. So I have connected this one, and as I said, this one is for controlling this one for controlling my mouse, wireless mouse. If you want to put this one, or if you do not want to put, it's your choice. So as I'm going to use my mouse, so I'm doing this one. Now let me connect this tab into my Wi-Fi. So I'm connecting this tab into my Wi-Fi. Let's connect it. Simply just you have to connect with your Wi-Fi and nothing else. So I'm just connecting this one. Now connect. Now my Wi-Fi has been connected, and this Wi-Fi is for my mobile phone. This Wi-Fi is for my mobile phone. So another mobile phone, I have connected this Wi-Fi. So now, okay guys, so I'm starting my television. Let's start it. Now I have to press the HDMI. I have the HDMI button directly on my remote. So let's press it. Okay guys, as you can see, I have connected my HDMI port with my tab. So you can see this screen is my tab's screen. It's a mirror screen of my tab. So you can play anything which you have on your tab, like offline contents, online contents, anything. So I am showing you, please zoom it here. I am showing you, like if you want to open YouTube. So let me press the Google Chrome. I am opening Google Chrome. This is my tabs screen. So I am opening Google Chrome, and it's automatically connecting to YouTube. So this one is YouTube, and the same thing you can see here in my TV. Like the same thing is getting reflected on my TV. So let's play this one. This video has been made by me. It's a very good place to visit, like Bokresar. Let me mute the sound, and as you can see, the video is going on. Now if you want to control this tab with the wireless mouse, as I said, I have Intex mouse, and this one is the USB port. I have connected this wireless mouse, so even you can control this tab with your wireless mouse. Let me show you. As you can control this one with your wireless mouse, like whatever you want to do, you can do. As you can see that you can control, this one is the mouse cursor. So whatever you want to do, you can control with this. Like I can minimize it, I can play any other video. I can play any other video. Not only that, if you want to surf anything, if you want to let me exit. I'm opening another tab, and just I want to surf anything, like I'm just going to Facebook. Anything, whatever you want, you can do here. Over the big screen, whatever you want, you can use the screen as whatever you want. And you can also play any offline contents from here. You can tap the search, you can do anything like this way, you can do anything, whatever you want. whatever you want. If you want to play games, you can do that as well. So like this way, if you want to play game, you can play that as well. So you can play the game in the big screen. You have to control with this here you can control it like this way. So if you want to play any offline contents, you can do that as well. So go to your tab once more, or go to ES File Explorer, or if you want to play something else, you can do that as well, like home page, images. So anything you want, you can do that. Anything, any offline contents, even you can do that. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share this, give me a like, and also subscribe me for more ideas, new ideas into tech world. Thank you.